Let's look at how to operate the camera in LDCad. To do that, I will use the test file we made in the previous movies. It contains a 2x4 brick and a 2x2 brick on top. To change the way to look at your model, you can do that with the right mouse button, but first let me show you this. You can, if you mouse over this thing here, it gets bigger and it has a lot of information in it. Firstly, this is a 3D look. If you click this, it goes to 2D. I only use 3D. There's a green line here. If you click it, you can rotate the way the camera is looking at your model. So it's not the model yourself that you are rotating, it's just the camera. You can also do this by using your right mouse button, click it and hold it, and you can also rotate the way you look at your model. It is also possible to zoom out. I use the mouse wheel. So if you rotate your mouse wheel, it zooms in and out. And depending on where your mouse cursor is, that's the place it zooms to. So now let me zoom in way too much. I've lost my model. I will use the keyboard shortcut Z, the number Z, the Z key. Let me show you here. Editing views, fit model. That's a key you can use as a shortcut. It's very, I think it's very useful. So let me do that again. I zoom in way too much. View, editing views, Z. It's very handy. Also, if you have a very large model and you just want to center your view on one brick, you click on a brick, the brick gets blue. I use the keyboard shortcut C, center, and the view centers on this brick. It can also be found here. C, center on selection. I've used the Z key again to fit the model, and there are a number of other ways to move your camera. If you go to this screen again, you can see that you can move the camera in this way, or move the camera this way. You're not moving the model, you're just moving the camera. Like this. And if you change the editing view, you can move the camera like this. That's it. That are ways to move your camera in a 3D perspective of LDCad.